Hi, my name is Sara Castilo and I'm a visual artist.
Hi, I'm Roberto Marquez, and I'm a maker. I work on electronics, especially for this project.
Together we collaborated on a project called Tia Ella, which stands for the Interactive Art Exhibit for Light Admirers. This was a project funded by the City of San Antonio Public Art San Antonio Division. The series is called Light and Technology. For this project, we created two fiber collages and integrated electronics component. The electronic component, Robert, would you like to explain what that does?
Mostly the electronics were powered by an Arduino or a Raspberry Pi. We had EO wire as well as many LEDs of varying colors. You can see some of them behind us. And other than that, the programming languages were C and Java.
The two fiber collages are a representation of two historic buildings in San Antonio. The first building is the Alameda Theater, which is located on Houston Street, and the Kress building, also located on Houston Street. The fiber collages are made up of different pieces of fabric and other materials sewn and glued together to recreate the facade of each building.
Okay, the interactive art exhibit for light admirers provides interactivity through Wi-Fi. Once you're connected on the Wi-Fi network with Tia Ella, you can control the light sequences. There's different modes. Once you scanned in the QR code, you're good to go. It even gives you the Wi-Fi password and the URL to log into. This one behind me is Alameda, and you can control the EO wire and the lights that are yellow. Okay, we're going to scan in the QR code for the Wi-Fi access, which is right here on the window. QR code from the Android Play Store. Here it is. Follow this link. The X marks the spot's website. We'll give you all the details on how to connect to the Wi-Fi and control the Alameda building, as well as the Kress building.
This is the Kress building, and at one time, this was the Five and Dime department store here in San Antonio, downtown. Now, Robert will demonstrate how this fabric sculpture can be interactive with a cell phone.
At the other window, we showed how you can scan in the QR code seen here. One of them gives you instructions on how to connect to it. Once you're connected to it, you can control the light sequences that are in the Kress building. So I want to demonstrate how I'm going to put it in light mode all on. This is through a regular Android phone, but it also works on iPhone. The next mode I'm going to demonstrate is called blink. Now here's the Android phone. I've sent it the command. Slowly but surely it'll go into it. The good part is waiting for it. Now you'll slowly but surely see blink mode going into effect. Lastly, I'd like to show chaser mode, which is pretty much the mode that it was in to begin with. But let's go back to that one. Okay, gonna go to chaser mode. Now we're going back to all on. To make this interactive through a cell phone, what we did was create a Wi-Fi network within the building and installation itself. You connect to it, and there's a Python script that's running in the background that accepts any kind of HTTP requests, such as GET or POST. Once those requests are received, you're presented with the user interface that allows you to switch between modes.
Robert, where is the Wi-Fi network located on the fabric collage?
Yeah, we wanted to make sure it looked clean, so we put the Wi-Fi adapter in the back, and it broadcasts a signal that you can connect to from your phone. And if you scan in the QR code, it gives you the password for it, so you're good to go once you scan that in and connect to the network.
The QR codes and the EL wire and the Wi-Fi network were all important components in this project, specifically because the series it was titled Light and Technology Series. So we had to incorporate a visual art form, and we chose to work with fiber collage, and with the collaboration with Robert's knowledge in electronics, we incorporated those pieces.
Very briefly, I want to go over the technologies used in the project. Hardware-wise, we use a Raspberry Pi, an Arduino, a Syslink Wi-Fi router, and a lot of soldering, a lot of wiring, 4 shift registers, 32 LEDs, 20 yards of EL wire of the green variety, and a decent power supply.